morning, YouTube. Anthony here with Good House Floor Care and Repair. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I will take you on a ride along each and every day with me, whether I'm doing carpet repair, carpet cleaning. I'm going to teach you the right way to do things. So if that's something you're interested in doing, maybe making a career out of it like I did, or you're just a do-it-yourselfer and you need a little bit of advice on how to fix something, consider me your carpet coach, aka Uncle Tony. Stay tuned. What is up, Repair Squad? Before we dive into this episode, I want to make sure that you subscribe and leave a comment down below saying that I subscribed, and I'll do my best to reply to your comment. Just wanted to take this time before this video started just to thank each and every one of you. Once again, as always, thanks for watching. So in this episode, I was called out to take care of a bleach spot. Stay tuned as I show you how I take a donut piece from the closet and insert it here in the damaged area. Okay, Repair Squad, what I'm using here is my residential row finder so that I can open up the rows to use my cushion back cutter and cut this bleach spot out. Okay, so what I'm showing you here is that you want to always use the blade facing the side that you're going to keep. Here I'm cutting and placing the seaming tape in place so I can go ahead and seam this together. Okay, so now I'm going to take my donut piece from the closet. Make sure you always seam seal your edges. It's very important. remember, you have to seam seal both pieces. Here you can see how the seam sealer fills all the gullies. Just wanted to give you a look at all the tools that's needed to do an insert like this. Here I'm using my Cool Glide iron to seam together both pieces.